Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add subscription products to WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, just click on this right here in order to install a new plugin. So let's search in here for subscriptions. Once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here some search results related to that. There's a lot of WooCommerce subscription that you can choose for this. So for this case, let's head over and then you choose one. So I have in here this subscription for WooCommerce built by WP Sphinx. So let's head over and click on it. And then from in there, just head over and click on this install and activate right here. And as you can see, it will install this particular plugin. As you can see, it's been installed. Now from in there, just scroll down until you can see this WP Sphinx. Click on the subscriptions for WooCommerce. And then from in there, as you can see, this will load. And you can see this, check this box to enable the subscription for Woo. Click on next. And you can see in here this complete step. Like for example, let's add our first subscription product. So of course, let's put in here beginner plan. We can add that. And you can also put in here subscription. Let me help you. And you can also put in here a product description. And it totally depends on you which one you want to add for this case. So totally depends on you. You can also put in here the subscription price. For example, I'll just put it at $99.99. And then you can put in here a subscription interval and the subscription frequency. I'll make this for 1 month. Click on next and you can just set up your WPS PayPal payment. You can check this box to enable the built-in PayPal getaway and to enable test mode as well. Just put in here the client ID, which is our actual client ID right there, our email, and just put in here your password. And then from there, just click on this next. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this. Just head over and click on this right here and then finish it up. So this will load like this. And as you can see, here's our details. And once it's been added, we should be able to just create a subscription. So this will load and we have now this right here. So we can choose in here the WP things as well as all of these things right here. So when we head over right here to our plan, we have in here this beginner plan added. And we have now this product and it is actually a subscription product and it's in stock. And here's the price per month. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.